Hi, Mr. Andrew here, and today we're dividing 512 by 32. Here I have three ways of writing that problem. The first one, read left to right, with the traditional symbol, is 512 divided by 32. The next way, 512 bar, which means divide by 32. Now here, once I put it into the format I need to actually work the long division, I read it inside out. I read it 512 divided by 32. So don't let that throw you. Make sure you have them in the right order and you're not dividing them in the opposite way. So here, 32, well, I asked myself, 32, can that go into 5? No, that cannot. So here, I put either 0 or I just don't mark anything. Now I ask myself, can 32, well, can that go into two numbers together? Can it go into the 5 and 1? Can it go into 51? And yes, 32 can fit into 51. I know if I would say how many times, I would say it's one time, because doubling 32 would be about 64, and that's too much. So just 1 times 32, I do 1 times 32, and I place it right under the number I'm dividing it into, is 32. I subtract them. So 1 minus 2, well, I'll need to borrow in this case. This becomes a 4, and this becomes 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. 4 minus 3 is 1. Now I take my next number, and before I divide into it, I must drop the 2, making this 192. 32 goes into 192. Well, I'm not sure. Let's see. I'm going to guess about 7. And let's see if I'm on point. So 32 times 7. 7 times 2, 14. 7 times 3, 21, plus 1, 22. Looks like we're a little bit too much. Let's try 32 times 6. And sometimes you'll just have to guess and check with these. No one can be perfect at them, and I know it takes a little bit of time, but just go ahead and work them out. Resist grabbing that calculator. So 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3, 18, plus 1, 19. And there we found it. We had 32 goes into 192 6 times. So 6 goes over the 2, since that is the final digit of the number we're dividing into. 6 times 32 is 192. I subtract, and I have no remainder. So the answer to this problem is 16. Thank you, and hopefully this helped.